How to add text over image in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add text over an image in Canva. Whether you are making a social media post, a presentation or a thumbnail, this is super useful. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first head over to the Canva and open new or existing project. For this demo, I'm using the blank 16:9 canvas, which is perfect for landscape designs like YouTube thumbnails or the widescreen graphics. Now here, to upload your image, simply go to the upload section on the left hand menu, its fifth icon down, and here click on upload files. And here choose the image that you want to use from your device. And you can upload one or multiple images, that's totally up to you. And here, once the image is uploaded, you'll see it in your image section. So just drag it into your canvas to place it in your design. And once you have added the image, it's time to add some text. So here, go to the text section on the left sidebar and then click add a text box, and this will draw a sample text onto your canvas. So here you can choose from different text styles like headings, subheadings and body text, or you can just start with a simple heading like I am doing here. So here you can just drag the text box over your image and Canva guides will help snap it to the center so everything looks aligned. And once you're done adding it, you can double click on the text to edit it. And after that, you can change the font, adjust the size, pick a color, and under effects you can add things like shadows, outlines, glows, and much more. And that's it. Now you have just added a text over an image in Canva. This is perfect for creating a standout graphics in just a few minutes. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.